What you're seeing right now isn't some crazy CGI from a Hollywood movie. This is real. This is what happened when over 16,000 drones took to the night sky above Liuyang, China, creating a spectacle so massive it shattered to world records. This is the incredible story of how humans are turning technology into pure art, lighting up the heavens like never before. Imagine this. It's October 17th, 2024. Millions of people are looking up, completely mesmerized, as the sky transforms into a glowing, living canvas. Giant, shimmering trees grow out of thin air. Flowers bloom in radiant light, and mesmerizing patterns dance across the darkness. Every single one of these thousands of tiny lights is a drone, moving in perfect harmony, all controlled by just one computer. The show was called A Love Letter from Light, and it was brought to life by Gaoju Innovation and a team of experts from Liuyang, which is famously known as the fireworks capital of China. But this breathtaking performance did more than just impress the crowd, it made history. First, it smashed the Guinness World Record for the most drones flying simultaneously under a single control system. With an unbelievable 15,947 drones in the air at once, but they didn't stop there. They set a second world record by having 7,496 of those drones carry actual fireworks, creating the largest ever display merging drone tech and pyrotechnics. The result was a seamless blend of technology, art, and emotion, pure visual poetry in motion. Shows like this are changing the game. Cleaner, safer, and infinitely more programmable than traditional fireworks. And with every new record, China is solidifying its position as the world leader in these large-scale aerial performances. This wasn't just a light show. It was a powerful message that technology can be profoundly beautiful. So the next time you gaze up at the stars, take a moment to imagine thousands of drones painting incredible stories across the night sky. What do you think? Would you rather see a classic fireworks display or a digital constellation of light like this? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing tech from around the globe. Thanks for watching.